How's it going? How are you?
All right, listen up.
How's everybody doing? Good. So, Officer Stanley, BIA. We have our friends from Caddo County out here with us today. Deputy Boardingham and his dog Hector. We're going to demo some things for y'all today. The bike suit, the sleeve, and finding some dope in one of the vehicles. So I'll let Deputy Boardingham of Caddo County here talk to you about his dog Hector.
How's everybody doing today?
Just fine.
Good. My name's Deputy Boardingham, like he said. This is my canine Hector. Hector with a K at that. I've had Hector for a year now. He's a 3-year-old Belgian Malinois. He's imported from Switzerland. And I did training in Oklahoma City with him for approximately about a month. We did bite work training and narcotics. He specialized in meth, heroin, and cocaine. So those are his main narcotics that he finds. He's also a bite dog, an apprehensive dog, let's put it that way. We've, over the past year, found pounds of meth, any type of narcotics you could think of. I've had 2 apprehensions with him. He didn't get a full-on bite with him. He did track suspects that did take off running from us. And that's Hector. So now we're going to demonstrate a couple things for y'all and let y'all see him work, and hopefully he's in the mood to work. He's just like a human, so we'll see. All right. Any questions? Anybody want to get bit?
Yeah. We've got some. I got a list.
Anybody want to get bit?
I can guarantee you don't.
Hey, make sure we go back.
Go sit down.
Make sure he doesn't
I don't want you to think you did shit.
I think no, let's go.
I'm going to tell him just hey, do you want to do give her the job?
Not attack.
You can do that. I don't want to take that glory.
Well, you know, I'm prescribed back in military.
Be alerted on war and get them all out here looking that way.
Yeah, the outside.
Come on.
All the way out of here?
No, just be on my unit.
I got a lot.
Hey, sure?
All your stuff just fell out.
Sure. They get really amped up and worked up around seeing him. It kind of makes him kind of go into what's going on right now. So.
You need a volunteer, got one right
I got one. I think we all have one.
Oh yeah, that'll be fun.
They want you to empty the stands and go over here where Mr. Lee's at.
Get everybody to come over this way.
Watch out! I get you.
What are we doing? Stop! See you. Take a picture. Howie! Get him!
Look, I see how it is, you know.
Get up, Ernest. What are you doing? Yeah.
I mean, I knew they were oh, sorry.
You're gonna edit that out.
The BIA truck there.
And he's going to demonstrate his dog Hector finding it.
What I'm doing now is, y'all see how he's staying there now, not moving? What I'm doing now, I'm walking and keep moving around. If he follows me, then he's not alert. Something on him. If I give him his command for search, okay, he stays there. His command for search is Zuke, okay? And see how he puts his nose back in the same area? And that's how it works. So, all y'all that don't believe me that there's dope here. Right here. Y'all want me to open it to show you that there's something here? Yeah? You there? I'm not gonna touch with my fingers.
Back to the bleachers, ain't it?
You know what I do, Nick?
Car tactics are way better.
Yeah, bro.
Continue it. Did you get me, Unit? You did? Post that on the ground.
Is what it is, okay?
Oh, yeah.
This is my partner, Deputy Tate. He's going to be taking a stationary bite. He's going to just be standing there. I'm going to release my canine on him as if he's someone that's wielding a knife or something like that, and he doesn't want to give up, okay? And he's right in front of us. And I'm going to release my canine, and he's going to bite him.
Oh, okay.
Our next demonstration is going to be the officer behind my unit. He's going to be in a full suit, which he has the bottoms on right now, and he'll have that top on. And what he's going to do, I'm going to give him a command, and he's going to take off running. After I give him commands to show me his hand to stop. And then I'm going to release my canine. My canine's going to chase him and bite him. Okay, that's going to be the second. So with this, man, I don't even know where to start with after this. Long story short, guys, if you hear somebody got a dog and they say it's going to bite you, just stop. Don't run anymore. Yeah, that's all I got. I don't know. Y'all got a question before we shoot them at me? You got questions? No? Yeah?
You will bite.
Huh?
Like in real life situation, you will bite them.
In real life situation?
Yeah.
If you try to fight with them and stuff.
Yeah. Yep. Even if you punch him, hit him in the head, he's still going to bite you. No, that's a good question.
No.
That's a really good question. Yeah, so how, to explain that question to you too. So they also make, so this is bite suit. They make fake arms for apprehension dogs also. And it's basically a fist, and you stick your hand in it, and it's a rubber entire arm.
Oh,
And
okay.
you can wear that, throw a jacket on, just be walking around, acting like I mean, there's no bite suit on you, so you're just a normal person, normal clothes, and they will attack you. So, any other questions? Yeah. No? Okay. Yeah. So that's the bad guy. Show me your hands, or I won't release my dog. Show me your hands, or I won't release my dog. Show me your hands, or I won't release my dog.
That's right. That's all my dog's fight.
Don't ever turn the camera.
What about the hands exposed?
Then you just say live bite, you get bit.
I mean, why not cover his hands?
Well, they make covers, but we just don't wear them. So, I mean, my dog's bit me 3 times now.
Really?
Not purposely. He accidentally, so after that, you see how amped up he is, walking him back to the vehicle. I put him in the car, and I open his door to let him back out to use the restroom or something like that, because after, he pees a lot. So, I let him out to use the bathroom, and he's bit me before after I've gotten him out of the car, because he's still amped up and worked up from everything going on. Does it hurt? It hurts. It hurts really bad.
What's like? What do you do for that? You just,
I mean, I don't want to tell people what I do for that. He gets in trouble. Let's just put it that way. So, yeah. Because I'm supposed to be his dad, so don't bite dad. You know what I mean? Yeah.
They wanted to know why the dog didn't bite his leg.
Because that's how they're trained. So they're trained to bite in the upper arm here, here. Why? Why do they bite like that? Why do they teach that? I'm not for sure. So whenever I told you earlier he's imported from Switzerland, he done all his bite work in Switzerland. Whenever he got to the United States, that's what we did his training.
I have a question.
How much does a dog weigh?
He was $12,500.
So, like, when you get finished with him and he gets ready to retire, how much will you have put into him?
What do you mean, how much?
Like, how much will you have paid for this dog?
Say that one more time, ma'am.
Okay, like when he retires,
Yes, ma'am.
about how much will he be worth?
How much will he be worth?
Because with the 12,000, then training and training and training.
I mean, he won't be worth anybody's money for me. I'm gonna keep him.
Right.
That's
because
my
like
boy.
my brother-in-law, his dog ended up being like $200,000-300,000.
Yeah. I know some dogs. So I've known some canines can range up to $30,000. Okay. And those, when you get up to $30,000 range, those dogs are dang near they can speak English almost. They are highly, highly trained before they are bought. Okay. He's highly trained in Switzerland for his apprehensive work. We trained with him when he got back to the United States for narcotics.
Now, do you speak English to him? Or
He's Dutch.
Dutch. Okay,
Yes,
you speak
ma'am.
Dutch to him.
Yes, ma'am. Most of them are Dutch or German, like your German.
Yeah, my brother's brother-in-law is German.
Yes, ma'am.
hey, how much does your dog weigh?
How much does he weigh? When I first got him, he was about 65. He was a little too fat for me, so I cut him down to about 55. Yep. I try to keep him around that 55 range. I try not to let him get over 60. Because then he moves a little slower.
Pretty good bullet coming towards you.
It's not bad. Yeah.
They don't want Do you know how great one of those things?
Internet.
I would say about
They let their dogs out and they're not their property. So they figured
Run! Lay out. There you go.
Stay still.
Turn your face away.
Capro. Man. That's why you don't run, man. She says hands up and see your head. Shoot. I'm a coward. I lay down and start climbing. Here's my hands. Don't let the dog.
Do it again.
Run again.
Run.
Must be fun. Must be fun for her. Hurry.
Yeah. You do get a little hype check. That's when I just see that coming in.
I can outrun it.
I haven't seen anybody yet.